Obtaining a baccalaureate magna cum laude at age 18. 1948. Claire Leroux, age 21, enters Laval Faculty of Law. 1949. Bertha and John Wilson immigrate to Canada. 1951. Claire Leroux graduates with an LL.L. from l'Université Laval at age 23. 1952. Claire Leroux is called to the Quebec bar and becomes a lawyer with Sam Bard's law firm in Quebec City. 1954. Bertha Wilson, age 31, enters Dalhousie Law School. 1957. Bertha Wilson graduates with LL.B. from Dalhousie Law School at age 33. Claire Leroux, age 31, marries Arthur Dubé, age 38, on November 30, 1957. 1958. Bertha Wilson is called to the Nova Scotia bar after completing articles with Frederick W. Bissett, QC. The Wilsons moved to Toronto, and Bertha Wilson joins Osler, Hoskin, and Harcourt as an articling student, age 35. 1959. Bertha Wilson is called to the Ontario bar and becomes the first woman lawyer at the Osler firm. 1960. Claire Leroux Dubé's first child, Louise, is born in Quebec City. 1964. Claire Leroux Dubé's second child, Pierre, is born in Quebec City. 1973. Claire Leroux Dubé, age 45, is appointed to the Quebec Superior Court, February 9. Bora Laskin becomes Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Canada, December 27. 1976. Bertha Wilson, age 52, is appointed to the Ontario Court of Appeal, January 2. 1978. Arthur Dubé commits suicide, July 11. 1979. Claire Leroux Dubé, age 49, is appointed to the Quebec Court of Appeal, October 16. 1980. Antonio Lemay is appointed to the Supreme Court of Canada, March 28. 1982. Bertha Wilson, age 58, is appointed to the Supreme Court of Canada, March 4th. 1982. Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms comes into effect April 18. 1984. Brian Dixon becomes Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Canada, April 18. 1985. Section 15 of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms comes into effect April 17. 1987. Claire Leroux Dubé, age 59, is appointed to the Supreme Court of Canada, April 5. The Pellick Trilogy. See Pellick v. Pellick, 1987, 1 SCR 801. 1988. R. V. Morgenthaler, 1988, 1 SCR 30. 1989. Beverly McLaughlin is appointed to the Supreme Court of Canada, March 3rd. 1990. R. V. Lavallee, 1990, 1 SCR 852. Prostitution reference re SS 193 and 195.1c of the Criminal Code, Man, 1990, 1 SCR 1123. Will women judges really make a difference? Bertha Wilson's speech at Osgoode Hall Law School, Toronto, February 8th. Antonio Lemay becomes Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Canada, July 1st. 1991. Bertha Wilson, age 67, retires from the Supreme Court of Canada, January 4. Bertha Wilson becomes chair of the Canadian Bar Association's Task Force on Gender Equality in the Legal Profession. Bertha Wilson is appointed to the Royal Commission on Aboriginal Peoples. R. V. Seaboyer, 1991, 2 SCR 577. 1992. Moog v. Moog, 1992, 3 SCR 813. 1993. Canada Attorney General v. Mossop, 1993, 1 SCR